Boston now, a man has been spotted polluting a local river and harming its inhabitants. Who will come to save this poor river?
Pollution boy, I knew it was you.
I've been expecting you. Who do you think tipped off the press?
What do you mean you tipped off the press? The news is never wrong. Stand down or prepare to be stooded down.
Never!
I guess we have to fight now.
I guess we do.
Looks like someone ordered the Nature Man special, and it's half off.
You ever wonder why I do it? Why I fight this war? I know you are nothing more than a fraud. You say that you're saving the world, and people actually believe you. 8 million pieces of plastic enter this water every day. Every day, 6 billion metric tons of greenhouse emissions enter our atmosphere. Every year. And you think about planting a couple trees is gonna change any of that? You aren't heroic. You aren't brave. You can shun me. You can ridicule me to my littering. But at the end of the day, can you remove me? No. Don't worry. Corporate got a couple million copies of me littering every single day. I work to show people the real problems. And you work to complain and make people feel all cozy inside. You are nothing. You really are a joke.
No, you're the joke.
Till next time, Nature Man.
Nature Man, I've been searching for you.
Who's asking?
It's me, Nick Regulation Theory.
What do you need?
I've been starting a team, and I would like you to be part of it.
Wow.